Hello everyone, we are Team Citrus Harmony. That was a generated name, but we loved it. We made a proof of concept that shows essentially an automatic booking bot. It uses the Telnix API, which we will give a demo of, to relay text messages, and uses a symbol AI to derive a date after one of our chat bots tries to work with the user. So I don't know if there's anything. We have a little bit of a, that was the problem basically for that problem statement. It just more automated so people can essentially text a business and without, like 24/7, be able to make a scheduled appointment, or like for their COVID shot, or for any other thing. So here, this is just a diagram. We're going to show you essentially through our demos the flow. So we're going to start with an SMS, and we'll show you that will go to our service that's up in the cloud with Kubernetes. Then that service will show that it works with a chatbot, and then we'll show working with symbol AI. Eventually, we have an iCalendar that's essentially the output, the something that the user can apply to their calendar. So can we? Here's a terminal of the logs. We can show that this works with. This is in the cloud right now in our instance. So would you send a text message, and we'll just see something pop up here from Telnix. Great. So we have a message inbound from Telnix there. Great. I will just show you some chatbot features while he sets up the symbol AI stuff. So our chatbot uses Rasa. That's brand new to me. There were a lot of chatbot machine learning tools to use, but Rasa seems like something really awesome where you can start using stories, and it's really configurable, and it really helps make a directed approach to a conversation, not an open-ended one. All right, we have this running. It's kind of hard to see, but we have just essentially a string. So that text message that comes in, we would essentially just throw it into this chatbot. I'll just show it to you here. I'll say hello. It says hello. How are you? I would say if I could spell, I would like to make a booking. It says, how can I notify you? I will say text, and it says, I'll schedule an appointment, but I'll need to know a date first. And I can tell you that at this point, this is kind of like the I don't know, here's what I could do. So the chatbot got a little confused here, but you can see that there is at least some sort of directed approach for a chatbot. Do you have enough time? Do you need more time?
It's already done.
Great. So we can show the symbol AI? Awesome. We're just going to show you. Do you have an HDMI cable?
Nope.
You don't have an HDMI port?
Nope.
So that's using as your second monitor.
Yes.
All right, so you have a display port.
Okay.
We're using our magical display adapter to hook up another laptop here. Please give us a second. All right. So here we're just going to show a demonstration using symbol AI. So we have a Telnix sending inbound, and then that's going to basically send our whole chatbot conversation to symbol AI. And really at that point, symbol AI is going to give us nothing, or it's going to give us a date. So once we get either nothing or a date, we'll have some actions. But once we get a date, that means that we can make an iCal, we can actually schedule on a calendar, do some other integrations. It looks like we've been pressing buttons, but we got
Yeah, just telling him to say it on the so it can to voice text the message. I will send the thing to
I
that.
will schedule for an appointment tomorrow.
Remember to project.
He just said, I'll schedule an appointment tomorrow, so he just talked into a text, and then that text is now coming through, or there's a job that's running off. And we've noticed that the Symbol AI API we're using, their Python library, is running a little, like up to a minute for this request, so some of the, we would have to address this with asynchronous type of stuff, maybe have a callback. I don't know if we can, well, at least we're just showing a proof of concept here. All right, looks like some stuff worked out. All right. And we have an object here, if you can scroll up. It says kind of needs to, the original message was needs to schedule for an appointment tomorrow, and is there a follow-up?
And it is tomorrow. Text tomorrow. Type date. Value.
Great.
So.
Sweet. So we would take that date and then we'll show you the iCalendar setting. So we just have essentially a library that will make a iCalendar display for it, or just just give us about like 30 more seconds. All right, going to fire up a local instance of our Flask. So everything is running on a Flask server in our Kubernetes environment. It just has these kind of integrations that we're just showing you through the terminal. But you see, did you run that? Yep. All right, so we just generated a iCal here. So we just showed you just a proof of concept, and we'd love to possibly make this, but we ran out of time. Thank you.
Excellent.